when somebody answers the phone, I usually get to the lemonade statement within 10 seconds. I really do. It doesn't take that long. Now, the first thing that I wanted to do was make sure that the person I called wasn't confused and was crystal clear on the purpose of my call. I knew in advance that they were a CFO. 2/3 of CFOs make decisions about employee benefit plans. So in advance, my ideal client profile are CFOs of companies with 50 more employees, and so I call, okay? So when the person picks up the phone, I make sure that it's Mike, this is Pete. We don't know each other, but I hope I have 10 seconds to explain my call. That's going to take, because when you're in a real world situation, you're going to have a little stage fright. But if you practice that and you own it, that's what I'm trying to say. That's why this thing is so simple. It's just really 5 compartments. I need to be all over the road trying to figure out, well, if you say this, then I got to say that, or whatever. The idea is to get an appointment booked to the calendar, right? So after I get to the lemonade statement, I do this, that, the other thing. Now we get to, before I go any further, how much focus do you have on order entry, right? Now that's where conversation blossoms. Like a flower, goes like a Nerf ball. Because I've asked a question that's open-ended. It's an information-seeking question. How much? Not do you have anything to do with order entry? How much focus do you have on matters related to order entry? I want information. That's another, priority when you're calling somebody. You just want information.